Are you looking for the best drone under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best drone under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. 1. M1 Pro 2 Drone 4K HD Mechanical 2-axis Gimbal Camera 5G Wi-Fi GPS System supports TF-car drones distance 1.6 kilometers. New KF106 Max Drone 8K Professional 5G Wi-Fi Drone HD Camera Anti-Shake 3-axis Gimbal Brushless Motor RC Foldable Quadcopter. ZLL SG908 Max Drone 4K Profesional 3-axis Gimbal GPS 5G Wi-Fi FPV 3km distance 500 m height brushless RC helicopter drone vs F11S. XMRC M10 Ultra Drone 4K Profesional GPS 3-axis is 5G Wi-Fi Quadcopter 5km distance 800 m height brushless drone vs SG906 Max 1 F11S. New Drone SG906 Max 2 4K Professional 3-axis is 5G Wi-Fi 4km distance 500 m height brushless quadcopter TF card vs SJRC F11S.